Hello and welcome to the Almond Stitch Square, part 14 of the Odyssey of Textures Blanket. For this square, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start this square, we will chain 29. For row 1, we will slip stitch into the second chain from hook and into the next 3 stitches. Please note that your slip stitches do need to be loose. After your 4 slip stitches, place 4 half double crochets into the next 4 stitches. So half double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Then, slip stitch into the next 4 stitches. Repeat the pattern down the row. Half double crochet into the next 4, then slip stitch into the next 4, and continue repeating that alternating pattern. From row 2 on, you will only work into the back loop of each row. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. Working in the back loops only, place a slip stitch into the same spot as the chain 1. Then place a slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. You will notice that the slip stitches do tend to lean towards the back of the work, so you need to be very careful on where you place your hook and make sure you are actually getting the back loop of the stitch that you need. After the 4 slip stitches, half double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Slip stitch into the next 4 stitches. Repeat this down the row. Slip stitch into 4, then half double crochet into 4. For row 3, chain 1 and turn. Again, working in only the back loops. This time, place a half double crochet into the same stitch as the chain 1 and into the next 3 stitches. This is why it is important to make your slip stitches loose. After your half double crochets, place 4 slip stitches. Half double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Repeat down the row. You will repeat the slip stitch in 4 and then half double crochet in 4. For row 4, you repeat row 3. Row 5 is a repeat of row 2. First, we chain 1 and turn, then place 4 slip stitches, then 4 half double crochets, and then 4 slip stitches, and repeat down the row. 4 half double crochets, then 4 slip stitches, all the way down. To create this square, you need to repeat rows 2 through 5 until the piece measures approximately 7 inches. Once the square reaches as close to 7 inches as you can make it, it is time for the border. For the border, chain 1 and turn. Place 3 single crochets into the corner. Then, 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. You repeat these instructions around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 single crochets. To join, we slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. Mark the front of the square with a slip of paper and a pin.